Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best gaming laptops on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. If you can't tell by now, we like the Zephyrus G14. It's shockingly compact, at just 3.5 pounds, and features AMD's new Ryzen chips paired together with its Radeon 6000M graphics. We'd recommend the Ryzen 9 model with an RX 6700M for $1,400. While its 14-inch screen is a bit smaller than our other recommendations, it looks great and features a fast 144Hz refresh rate. We also like its retro future design. Some configurations have tiny LEDs on its rear panel for extra flair that still manages to incorporate plenty of ports. While the G14 has jumped in price since it debuted, it's still one of the best gaming notebooks around, especially since Asus has finally added a built-in webcam. Number 2. Razer Blade 15. The Razer Blade 15 is one of the best gaming laptops on the market, and the 2023 model is no exception. It packs the latest and greatest hardware, including an NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, Intel's 13th Gen CPUs, and a speedy Quad-H screen. The Blade 15 is also one of the best-looking gaming laptops on the market. It has a sleek and stylish design with a black aluminum chassis and a Razer Chrome RGB logo on the lid. The laptop is also very thin and light, making it easy to carry around. The Blade 15's keyboard is one of the best on any gaming laptop. It has individual perky RGB backlighting, and the keys are very comfortable to type on. The trackpad is also very large and responsive. The Blade 15 has a wide range of ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, a headphone jack, and a microSD card reader. The laptop also has a built-in webcam and microphone. Number 3. Acer Predator Triton 500 SE. The Triton 500 SE has the same sturdy build quality we've come to expect from Acer's gaming laptops, and it has most of the standard features you'd need. While we've seen some wilder concepts from Acer, like its 360-degree hinge-equipped Triton 900, the Triton 500 is a more affordable bread-and-butter option. This year, it's bumped up to a 16-inch display, giving you more of an immersive gaming experience. It's relatively thin, weighs just over 5 pounds, and it can be equipped with Intel's 11th Gen CPUs and NVIDIA's RTX 30 series GPUs. Acer's build quality is as sturdy as ever, and it has most of the standard features you'd need in a gaming notebook. Number 4. Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 16. If a single 17-inch screen isn't enough, or you want a mobile setup that's closer to a multi-monitor desktop, Asus's unique gaming laptop might be your best bet. You know, if you need a dual-screen laptop, maybe a single 17-inch screen isn't enough, or you want a mobile setup that's closer to a multi-monitor desktop. If that's the case, the Zephyrus Duo 16 is the best laptop for you. It's powerful, and its extra 14-inch screen can easily let you multitask while gaming dutifully working. It also has all of the latest hardware you'd want, like AMD's new Ryzen chips and NVIDIA's RTX 4000 GPUs. Sure, it's nowhere near portable, but a true multitasker won't mind. Number 5. Dell G15 55-20 Gaming Laptop. We've been fans of Dell's G5 line ever since it first appeared a few years ago. Now dubbed the G15, it starts at under $1,000 and, while not the most powerful gaming laptop, features all of the latest hardware. We've been fans of Dell's G5 line ever since it first appeared a few years ago. Now dubbed the G15, it starts at under $1,000 and, while not the most powerful gaming laptop, it features all of the latest hardware, like Intel's 13th generation CPUs and NVIDIA's RTX 40 series cards. You can also find AMD Ryzen chips in some models. This budget-friendly gaming laptop is a bit heavy, weighing over 5 pounds, but it's a solid notebook otherwise. And you can even bring it into mid-range gaming territory if you spec up to the RTX 4060. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.